In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music and automatically lower other audio in Descript. We'll keep things simple and focus on the exact settings you need to get clean, professional results, even if you've never mixed audio before. Start by heading to Descript.com, logging in, and choosing the account you want to work in. If you already have a project open, perfect. If not, open an existing project so you've got a timeline ready to go. Next, bring your music into the project. You can pull a track from Descript's stock library or use a file from your computer. Just drag the music file and drop it directly onto the timeline. You'll see a new music layer appear. You can trim or move the clip later. For now, the goal is simply to get the music on the timeline so we can set up the automatic level control. Click once on that music track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This matters because the changes we're about to make will apply to the selected layer only. Now look to the right side of your screen and make sure the Properties panel is visible. This is your control center for making precise audio adjustments. Inside Properties, find the section labeled Audio Effects. Think of this section as your toolkit for loudness, clarity, and control. Perfect for keeping music and voices from competing. Click the plus button to add a new effect, then choose Dynamics from the list. Dynamics is a smart processor that automatically manages volume relationships across your project so things sound consistent without constant manual keyframing. Once Dynamics is added, select the option called Lower Audio of Other Layers. With that choice, Descript listens across your project and adjusts levels automatically so the balance between tracks stays clear and consistent. It's especially helpful when multiple elements overlap because it prevents clutter and keeps your primary content easy to hear. Press play to preview the result. Listen carefully at moments where voices, sound effects, and music happen at the same time. You should hear smoother transitions and a more polished mix right away. If you want to fine-tune, the controls for Dynamics live in the Properties panel, where you can adjust how strongly the effect reacts and how quickly it fades in and out. Small tweaks can make a big difference, so use your ears and aim for clarity. That's it. You logged in, added music to the timeline, selected the music layer, opened the Properties panel, and added Dynamics with the Lower Audio of Other Layers option. With just a few clicks, your mix becomes clearer and more professional.